everybody. Just wanted to show you what's going on with my fish tank. So I saw the fish doing some weird thing where they were going up into the surface and they were gasping for air. It's a pretty important moment. Excuse my hair. It's kind of early in the morning. I have to get ready for work. Anyway, I just want to log this, and basically, I set up my tank for turtles, not for fish. Alright, I didn't have bubbles or anything like that, or oxygen. I thought that it was enough for the water to fall in from the filters and allow for some type of oxygenization into the tank, and that wasn't enough. Because as my fish grew, they became large and needed more oxygen in the water. And just by observation, I started noticing that they were going up to the top and stuff, and yeah, they were basically suffocating. So here we are. I put an air pump into it, and now the fish are just racing around. I just threw some lettuce in there for the turtles. Of course, Bubba's going after the fish food, but he's not having any luck, so he'll have to eat some lettuce eventually. But yeah, we have bubbles in the tank now, and because the fish are this big now, they're huge, right? Yeah, and even the fish are eating lettuce. Even the fish are eating lettuce. So yeah, there's particles in the tank right now. This is what's going on. Okay. Bubba is, of course, still being stubborn as always with the lettuce. But everybody's doing well. Okay? Everybody's doing well. And they all get along just fine. So, yeah, the fish have gotten really big. I mean, look at that. Look at how big. That's not even the biggest one. Where's Moo? I think he's the biggest. and this hasn't even been a year. So I have a lot of homes already set up for these guys if they get too big and stuff for the tank. But I posted a video that I had recorded in September when Bubba started going nuts and just started like trying to hunt these guys down yesterday. But that didn't that happened a while back. Ever since that video was recorded, he has not had another incident. He hasn't hunted for quite a while, and it just seems like he gets along with everybody. He's not the aggressive turtle anymore. He even seems to love Bonnie so much that sometimes he ignores his food. Yeah. So he'll just chase after her and throw the hands up and do a mating call to her. Like right now, he's just looking at her right now. That's all he can focus on. So, yeah, I mean, everybody's doing well. Just wanted to show you what was going on. Right now is a little dirty because it's got particles in it from the lettuce. But everybody's busy. Everybody's active. Everybody's running around, especially the fish are starting to become a lot more active. That really worried me when they started going up and I saw the entire school up in the top of the tank, looking sort of like what they're doing there, but I mean, they were sitting still, just gasping for air. And immediately I had to spring into action. I got one of these big air filters for a 100-gallon tank, and it worked out fine because it's got two outputs, and I just tied it to one rock and then tied it to the log that usually was in the middle here. I ended up putting it over on that side, so there's kind of like an equal balance between the two, and the water is constantly moving now, which is a good thing. I still have my little waterfall on top, but you know, the plastic has been bending and stuff and hasn't been really providing me with enough bubbles like it used to. But other than that, yeah, I'm due to clean that filter in the back and the filter on the left hand side. So yeah, I got 3 filters on this puppy. So just if you're new to my channel and you haven't seen my fish tank, my turtle tank / fish tank, yeah, started out as a turtle tank, now it's a full-blown fish tank. And if you haven't seen my other videos on how I did all of this stuff, you should go check it out. I was able to mix these fish. Each fish was like 27 cents, and now look at them. This is a beautiful fish tank on a budget. You know, the fish tank itself was 150, 200, I think. 200, yeah, with the filter. Came with the filter. I had another filter from another fish tank that I had, the 55-gallon, which I put away in the garage. And then, you know, I have these two. You can't really see right there, but I have 2 filters running right now. Right there on the bottom. There, in case they have a little bins on them, so that this way if they ever have a leak or anything, they won't leak on the floor. I have with the air bubbles, it's important that you guys get a there's a little, I forget what the hell they're called now because it's too early in the morning to remember. Basically they have these little stoppers where it flows one way but won't allow the water to come back the other way. Make sure you tell your pet store to look into that if you're getting any kind of air filtration for your fish tank, because especially with children, or you know, accidents happen where you're doing something, the air tube might come off of the air filter, and yeah, they can actually empty out your fish tank onto your floor if you have these little tubes, because of course it's gravity, you know. That'll just come right out and spill all over your floor, and you would not want to come home to that, an empty fish tank, dead fish, you know. So yeah, get one of those little stoppers. I forget what they're called. But anyway, I gotta get to work, and I wish you guys well. You know, have a great day, and stay positive. And take care now. Thanks for watching.